I'm gonna take a few days and do some camping with my friends. Gonna relive my childhood memories and share some new ones with my kids. I can't wait